Okay, so whoever can dodge the oncoming objects for the longest wins. Ready?
I was born ready. Prepare for defeat at the hands of my knife hand.
Room for one more? Much better racer?
Ooh.
I'll go first. See? This is super easy!
Pathetic. Watch and learn. Whoa! Whoa! Ha! Whoa! Bow! Oh, he's doing it! Whoa! Ah! And he's not doing it. Now it's time for battle. Oh! Oh!
Okay, amateur hour's over. Time for the pros. Whoosh! Ha! Bang! Whoosh! Ah! Better luck next time.
So then I land the trick, pull up with a skirt, and sign autographs for my adoring fans.
So anyway, I call it the Cybertronian Mega Jump!
Yeah, this is just as dumb as I thought it was gonna be. See you guys later.
Whoa! Quack, 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 quack.
Why are you making duck noises?
I'm making chicken noises because you're a mega chicken. Chickens can't fly, and I guess neither can you.
Ooh, he got you good. Snap. All right, I guess I'll just have to whoop your butts then.
Butt whooping? Count me in. What am I beating you three at today?
Behold!
All right, let me show you losers how it's done.
Losers next.
All right then.
Woo! Beat that!
All right then.
Oh, come on!
Yeah! Beat that, B.
All done.
Great, now you got time for the other crates.
Other crate?
Sentinel Prime wants all these filled up in the next 10 minutes. Don't make me come back here.
Ugh, mining is so boring. Hey, D, how about we play a little game?
We're miners, Pax. We mine. Get back to it, or you'll get us both in trouble.
Or...
Nope. Just get back to work.
Oh, I forgot. You're scared of competition.
What are we playing?
Boom! Swish!
Too easy.
What were you saying? What's the matter? Scared of this one?
You cheater!
What are you two doing? You had 10 minutes to finish the job, and you...
Ah, great to see our brilliant mining teams in action. Could I take a little peek to see how we're doing?
Oh, it's very dangerous down
Really
here.
unstable?
And, it wouldn't be fair to the other Energon miners. Well, alright. Cybertron thanks you for your service.
Get back to work right now!
Told you we should have just kept working. Welcome to the Iacon Aerial Obstacle Course. I am your host, B127, 10-time champion along with our course expert, Steve. Well said, Steve. And our course side commentator, Elita-1.
Hey Megatron, you're not looking so mega right now. This aerial course is gonna be a breeze for me.
Primus isn't here to help you this time when you fall. Get out of my way. It's time to win. Megatron seems to be navigating the course with ease and expertise so far, but we expected that. Now he's coming up to the loopy-loop. How do you think he'll handle that, Steve? Wow! He passed that loop like it was nothing. Just like you said, Steve.
Ooh, not sure he's gonna make it, B. I just don't think he's cut out for this.
Oh, looks like Megatron's in trouble here at the monkey bars. He's swinging himself to regain momentum, and... Oh, he made it! That looked personal, Elita-1.
Ooh, I don't know how he's still holding on.
Wow, that's one way to do it. Ooh, that's gonna be a tough time to beat.
Come on, let's do this.
Optimus Prime is gliding through this course with grace. Not quite as much grace as yours truly, but... Oh, he missed the last ring. Could this be over before it even started? Wow, looks like he's using his eyes like a propeller. 1, 2, 3, 4 monkey bars. No problems here.
Ooh, Optimus Prime might be in trouble here. He's only got 10 seconds left if he wants that W. He appears to be destroying the course, and... Ah!
Oh, this will be one for the ages. Optimus Prime wins, Megatron loses. This is your host, B127, along with my co-commentator, Steve. Steve!